We start with 1 hour chart. We want to analyze the chart based on HITBTC. The only things I want to highlight here, as you can see, based on HITBTC, the price dropped sharply. But if I move to another chart for Binance, I will see the different things. Okay, I don't know what's the reason, because the way, even for the price is almost less than half, and the way is moving is quite different. By the way, we want to see how we can look for trade. Yeah, if when the price was within this move, we mentioned if we get the running flat, we can look for reversal. But there was no trade setup to look for buy, and mostly we had the correction here for price to drop. But I don't see any reason for the price to drop, because even there was a correction, but there was no trade setup for price to drop. And if we move to 15 minutes, this is what we get. And I don't know what's the reason, whether they manipulate or not. But for us, we want to tell we can look for trade. As we can see, based on daily chart, the price almost at the lowest. If we refer to this correction, that's mean if we get any trade for buy, we will take the trade. But how to look for trade? If we move to 15 forward chart, the price retest, because the way it was moving, it was corrective. The price almost retest this low. That's mean any reversal for buy, if we get with the sharp move flag, we take the trade. But as I say, I don't see I mean, I don't know what's the reason we get this one, because the way it's moving is against the price for Binance, because the ways are different. I mean, moving is really different, there is like moving the opposite way. If I move here, okay. Anyway, we don't have any trade setup if anyone is trading based on HITBTC, but for sure, if we want to look at this one as a technical analysis, if we get a correction, since we have the sharp, whether we can expect the price for drop some more, but we are not going to look for sell. The only thing is if we get any reversal with the flag, maybe we can consider to look for buy. And we don't have any clear picture of what's happening here. That's why I cannot say whether we should look for buy or sell, but for long term, we're looking for buy. But again, what's the reasons the price dropping against the other exchanges? I cannot make I mean, it's not clear for me. In this case, we just let it go, and if I see any opportunity for trade, I will share. And mostly, if we get a reversal, we can look for buy. But as I see, based on the analysis, the chart doesn't show us anything. In this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update or news, I will share. Thanks.